Hey guys, what's up? This is the start of the $1,000 challenge where I will be growing a small account as consistently as possible throughout the year. All right guys, I'm going to be doing these in weekly videos, but before we get into it, I want to share the exact strategy and system I will be using. So if you want to know what that is, make sure you stay tuned because I'll also be giving you a free PDF of the exact checklist and model of the system that I will be using to find stocks, know where to buy stocks, and set my take profit and stop loss zones. All right guys, that PDF will be amazing, so make sure you stay tuned. Anyways, let me walk through the strategy. If you're excited for this series that I'm doing, make sure you smash that like button, but more importantly, smash that subscribe button because I'm going to be doing these videos every single week and it's going to be awesome. All right guys, so I opened an account with Robinhood and so I put in $1,000. Now you may be seeing the 471. That's because I realized that from a long time ago, because I haven't used this account in a while, that I had a free stock. And so if you click the link below, you'll actually get a free stock if you don't have a Robinhood account yet. But I got that free stock and then I sold it as soon as I could so that we could kind of start at break even. So we're at around $1,004 or $5. But anyways, let me share with you the strategy I'm doing. So as a swing trader, our goal is to find stocks that will make us money, make quick money, sell, move into the next stock. So find a stock, make profit, switch. Find a stock, make profit, switch. And so that's what we'll be doing here. And so I'll be doing it all based on a trend following system, finding stocks that are likely to explode. And I will be using the Impeccable Stock software for this. And I'm going to kind of go through it here. But if you want to check that out, make sure you click the link below. But basically what I'll be doing is on a daily basis, I will be going through here and I will be clicking on the stocks ready to explode. I'm going to go through these lists and I'm going to find stocks that I am excited for. So again, what I'm primarily going to do is I'm going to probably sort by trend score because this kind of gives a good overall level, and then I'm gonna kind of look for stocks that I can afford and that have a good risk reward setup. So again, let's see here, take profit 33%. That's gonna be really good. It's about $14. So again, I'm gonna look into stocks like this, and then I'm gonna find stocks to buy. Again, this is a later great buy. When it first turned green is when I really wanted to buy this stock. This would have been a great one to buy, right? We could have bought it here at around, it looks like it was $13 and then it went up to $15. Those are the setups that I'm looking for. So again, I'm a bit too late on finding this stock. But again, I'm going to use this to find some amazing stocks, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. And so in these videos, I will be recapping the trades that I took, as well as I will be placing trades on the screen so that you can see what's going on. But anyways, I'll be using this to find stocks and to analyze stocks. Because as you can see here, if I click on a stock and I like it, like here's a great setup, you know, we see that we have a huge accuracy rating of a 97%, 1 to 5 risk reward. That's a great setup. Again, I can research my stocks here, and it gives me everything that I need to know. And then from here, I'll move into the Robinhood platform. And so let's take an example here, EMX. So I'm going to take a look at this stock. And from here, this stock is likely to do well. It has a lot of upward momentum. It has a lot of trend. And so that's what we want to do when we're swing trading. We can see here it's around 346. The next thing I kind of want to look into is look at the liquidity. So again, if I look at this, you can see here buy EMX. We have order types. Obviously, there's no options on here, but if there are options and the liquids are, if the options table has a lot of volume, then I'm definitely going to go there, right? Because if we're trying to grow a swing trading account, small account, then options are going to be a great way to grow it. But if not, if this is just a normal swing, then I can definitely use normal shares on this and place that order. And so again, I'll be looking to put 50% of my portfolio or my portfolio into each trade. And so I'll be looking to do 2 trades, looking to make at least 4% in a week, and then closing it and moving to the next stock. And that's the goal. And so yeah, that's what we'll be aiming for here on this challenge. Now, if you want to get access to this step-by-step checklist, you can make sure to click the link below and I'll have this free download for you. But basically, it's just this. So it breaks down what's going on. When the line, again, we're referring to this software. When the line turns from blue to green, so we move to a green, that's a high indication that the stock's about to take off. So we're going to be 100% in stock. So again, we're going to use a trailing stop and we're going to take profits. We're going to be about 50% in with our position. So about $500 into each trade that I do. at the moment, right? And then again, if we have the liquidity and my confidence level is a little then I'm going to do a put credit spread, because that gives me a little downside protection so that I can let it come down a bit and still make profit. Or if I'm really confident about the trade and it has liquid options, then I'm going to do naked trading, which means I'm just going to buy a single call and we're going to make some money to the upside. All right, when it's blue, it means that nothing really exciting is going to happen, so I'm going to stay out of the market. If it turns red, then I'm basically going to be going to SPY, and I'm going to be buying a bunch of puts, because that's a strong sign that the market's going to drop and you can quickly make some money with puts on that. And so again, that's really what the goal is and what we're doing here. If you want this checklist, make sure you click the link below and just to download this checklist, and also when you download it, and if I ever update it, you should have the updates as well. All right, guys, this is the video. We're starting off with Robinhood. If you want to join, make sure to click any of the links below to get started with the Impeccable Stock software, or with a Robinhood account to get your free stock, and we will get started. This will be a fun challenge for those who join me or those who just want to watch. It should be great to see how I manage risk, what stocks I'm looking to get into, and why I enter certain stocks. And so again, I'm super excited for this challenge. Again, I'm hoping this account does well, but again, you never know and can only do what the market gives you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to say, come in and watch the video next week where I actually start placing orders and you can review the orders, make sure to smash that subscribe button to get updated every single time this video comes out, every single Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, guys, thank you so much, and see you in the next video for our first stock purchase or reviewing what I already bought.